curried egg mung beans stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the curried egg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the beans recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the mung beans recipes. Today we are going to make curried egg mung beans stew. The ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 to 20 shallots cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 1 green chili, 1.5 spoons of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger. And 2 eggs, and 100 grams of mung beans or green gram. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Now put in the fennel seed, salt thoroughly, until the smell comes out of the fennel seed. Thoroughly salt thoroughly and mix. Now put in the garlic, salt, the garlic, thoroughly salt and mix. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the ginger, salt the ginger and the garlic thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Keep on sauteing. Salt and mix. saute. Now put in the shallots which we have chopped. Salt the shallots, the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauteing it. Sauteing it thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Mix until the shells lose the pinkish color. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the tomato pieces. Salt the tomato pieces thoroughly. The rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Salt and mix. Put in half a spoon of chili powder. Put in half a spoon of cumin powder. salt to taste, and put in the green chili. Mix thoroughly. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Mix thoroughly. Mix. Now put in the mung beans. Mix thoroughly. Keep on mixing. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 150 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required amount of time, break in 2 eggs. Into the mixture. And let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now the curried egg mung beans stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried egg mung beans stew, or curried mung beans egg stew, or curried egg with mung beans. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the mung beans recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the curried egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.